Hi, I'm Ron Timmermans, one of the many hosts for the Florida Aviation Network and a FAASTeam representative in the Orlando FSDO. Hey, you've probably heard people say, I've got good news and bad news, right? Well, today I've got just that, good news and not so good news. Let me start with the not so good news. Robert Jex, Bob Jex as we know him, FAASTeam program manager at the Orlando FSDO, is retiring at the end of October 2023. No, this is not a Halloween hoax, it's true. He's ending his 30-year career of federal service in the Navy and in the Federal Aviation Administration. Gone will be his smiling face. No longer will we be able to learn from his sage advice. We'll have to build and operate FAASTeams at various airports in the Central Florida area without his guidance. And we will miss the CFI special emphasis seminars that he faithfully hosted every 3 months. We will reflect on Bob's positive can-do attitude, humble leadership, assuring mentorship, and his passion for getting a job done no matter what it takes. Quite frankly, we will miss so many things that Bob Jex has faithfully executed from his position at the FAASTeam program manager position for the past 20 years. And the sole remaining FAASTeam program manager, Javier, will likely miss his teammate the most. And now for the good news. Bob Jex, FAASTeam program manager at the Orlando FSDO, is retiring at the end of October 2023. Yes, after 30 years of dedicated service to our nation, first as a naval flight officer, and then as a civilian ASI and FAASTeam program manager with the FAA, Bob is realizing a dream of lifelong retirement. Rightfully, he will take his place as other retirees have done, spend more time with Terry, his wife, and focus on fun things that have eluded him before when he was working full-time. How deserving, after a stellar career in aviation through military and federal service. All of Bob's friends at the Florida Aviation Network, his many acquaintances at FAASTeams throughout the Central Florida, his colleagues in the agency, and the many aviators far and wide in Florida and throughout the USA who Bob honored with their 50-year Master Pilot Award, wish Bob a fond farewell and many happy times as he enjoys his richly deserved retirement. Although we will all miss Bob from his official duties, I'm sure we will still see him around Central Florida frequently as he continues to ally with his aviation colleagues, promote safety in general aviation, and pursue his passion for pilot proficiency through the FAA Wings program. I'm Ron Timmermans, a FAASTeam representative and a host for the Florida Aviation Network, wishing you, Bob Jex, a happy and prosperous retirement.